Hey, have you ever tried Tunisian cuisine? I heard it's got some incredible signature dishes. Oh, absolutely. Tunisian food is amazing. They have a rich culinary tradition with some unique dishes. What are you curious about? Well, I'm really interested in their signature dishes. Can you tell me some of the must-try ones? Sure thing. One of the most iconic Tunisian dishes is probably couscous. It's a staple made from steamed semolina wheat granules, often served with a hearty stew made from lamb or chicken, and a richly spiced tomato-based sauce. It's a real comfort food. Couscous sounds delicious. What else? Another standout dish is Brik. It's a thin pastry filled with a mixture of egg, tuna, capers, and parsley, then deep-fried to a crispy perfection. You often find it served as a popular street food. That sounds like a unique combination. Anything else? Definitely. You must try tajine, which is different from the Moroccan version. Tunisian tajine is more like a frittata with eggs, tomatoes, bell peppers, and spices like cumin and harissa. It's often served as a breakfast dish. Time for breakfast? Huh. Sounds interesting. What about something for a dessert? For dessert, you can't go wrong with Makroudh. These are semolina dough pastries stuffed with dates, deep-fried, and then soaked in honey or sugar syrup. They're sweet, sticky, and simply irresistible. Makroudh sounds like a delightful way to end a meal. Any other dishes I should be aware of? Oh, absolutely. Don't forget to try harira, a hearty soup made from tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and a blend of spices. It's often enjoyed during Ramadan and is incredibly comforting. Wow, Tunisian cuisine seems to have quite the variety. I'll definitely have to give these dishes a try. Thanks for the recommendations. You're welcome! Enjoy your culinary adventure through Tunisian cuisine. It's a real treat for the taste buds.